Queensland Training Awards are this state's ultimate accolade for working smarter through training. They are a spectacular celebration of how we can all work together to achieve common goals. The winners of the Queensland Training Awards are workplace champions.
Not only being nominated, but winning the award was an incredible honour for me because it meant I'd been recognised for my years of hard work into my training pathway.
Winning the Trainee of the Year for Queensland supercharged my career.
So winning the training award gave me a lot of confidence about that my skills and my experience were valuable.
I remember it clearly to today. I remember being nominated and then being successful as a finalist.
Winning the Queensland Training Award was a huge reward for the effort during an apprenticeship. It really did confirm that I'd taken a good path.
My vet pathway started when I was in year 10, when I completed my Certificate 3 in multimedia, and then moved on to complete my diploma in graphic design, and then moved on to university.
Training gave me the confidence and the skills to know that I can do anything.
I gained a career from training and it allowed me to travel the world, but it also gave me the confidence to actually develop, I guess, into who I am today.
Training's always been a huge part of my career. When I wanted to start my own business, I knew I had to train myself up.
I really believe that my training gave me a real life pathway to transition from school life into full-time employment.
I believe employers are looking for people who are willing to learn.
My advice to someone starting out would be to aim high. Seek out the best employer who's going to give you the best training. I honestly believe keep a lookout for a mentor, someone who can help you with their experience and their skills.
I think for the future of skills, it will continue to adapt. It'll adapt in line with the industry specific to what it is.
In the future, I see a rapidly changing workforce where we're constantly encouraged to invest in our skills and our future.
Celebrating excellence in training is valuable because it highlights to other young people the range of diversity of careers that are available.
It really affirmed for me that I had chosen the right career path. It was a great recognition of my skills.
For people starting out, experiment as much as you can to find what you love doing, and then use training to turn that into your career.
If I want to get somewhere, I have to train.
I would absolutely recommend entering the Queensland Training Awards. It is a wonderful reward for hard work that you do put into an apprenticeship or to any sort of training or something that you've committed to and really put a lot of effort into.
The power of skills is the ability to pursue your passion.